In this video, I'm going to talk about a really good alternative of the VidIQ and the TubeIQ. With the help of you can rank your videos higher on the YouTube, or you can even optimize their SEO score. Not only that, it is also going to give your thumbnail score or also give you the recommendation so your thumbnail can be the better and get as much as attraction you want. Not only that, with a single click you can optimize your video title or the description, make it more SEO optimized to rank higher on the YouTube. And this is the best part. In the analytics, it is going to give you the video views, average view count, duration, percentage. This is the normal you can watch or get in the YouTube studio as well. But here's the amazing part. If I scroll down below, you can see it is also giving me the keywords which is driving the views for this video. So these are the most keywords that are the driving most of the views for this video, and based on these keywords I can optimize my video in the real way, not only on the guess way. Okay, and this is the best part. This is just the glimpse I have showed you. There are so many great features also available in this platform. Like you can just use AI to generate your title, descriptions or scripts for your video. All you need to just add the topic idea here. There's the keyword research section available. This is the detailed idea section available that is going to help you to get the ideas for your future content scheduling, or you want to do the research whether these ideas on which you want to create the videos are good or not. You can save it here. So let me talk about this tool that is the really good alternative to the VidIQ or the TubeIQ. Recently I found this tool on the app Sumo. So this tool name is the TubeIQ, and this is the so much really good YouTube growth and the optimization tool you can get with the one-time payment of the $29. Yes, one-time payment of the $29. You don't have to pay the every month like the VidIQ or the TubeIQ, and it has the so many crazy features available. I also checked its roadmap to what are the features we can also expect in the future, and here are all of them. They have so many great features in their pipeline. So let me get started with this video and give you a detailed overview on the TubeIQ, show you its features, give you the tutorial how you can use this platform. Without wasting any more time, let me get started. So hey guys, this is Basant here, and in this video I am going to give you a detailed overview on the TubeIQ. So right now this tool is available on the app Sumo, and it is fully powered by the AI because there are so many great things you can use this platform, not only with your guesswork but using your data analyzing and help of AI here. So right now you can get its lifetime deal. It is so much affordable, just $29. And if I go to the plans and features, you can connect up to the one YouTube channel in this single tier plan. And if you are the individual person optimizing or doing all the stuffs for your YouTube channel, this plan is just enough for you. Trust me, there are the good limits and the credits available in this platform. I personally checked its tier 1 plan to get the data here, get the experience here, and based on that I am recording and creating this video. Okay, so once you got its lifetime deal, this is the dashboard you are going to land in. So first it is going to ask you to connect your YouTube channel. That is basically really easy. You have to just click here on this option here, and it is going to let you connect your YouTube channel. So once you got connected your YouTube channel with the TubeIQ, let me tell you, this is 100% secure and the authentic. It is going to give you your channel stats, your top channel videos, your monetization tracker, or about your channel status. Okay, and based on this I also want you to add your personal growth goal here. So what is your goal? Like you want to increase your subscriber, you want to increase your viewers, or you want to increase the retention rate like me. So I just added my goal here. I want to increase the retention rate up to the 50% in the 30 days. So based on that, it analyzed my channels, give me my plan summary, recent performance, and these are the top videos analysis it has done to give me the recommendation. So based on this goal, it has given me the 7 recommendations. If I apply, I can increase my retention rate up to the 50% in the 30 days. So recommendation number 1, it has given me that increase the frequency of the content focusing on the tutorials and the tool comparison. These two topics giving me most of the retention for my channel. So based on that, it has given me this recommendation. Recommendation number 2, implement viewer engagement strategies like the Q&A sessions, poll in videos, prompting discussion in the comments. So these are the recommendations. If I work on, I can increase my retention rate. So here you can select what is your goal. Like increasing subscribers, views, watch hours, or the retention rate. So these are the 4 prime core things that basically help any YouTuber to success here. Okay, so you can select them, and this is a really good feature. I liked it. Now let me give you the other features as well. So my another favorite feature what I liked it here is its optimization feature. Here it is going to show me all of my videos that I have published till now on my YouTube channel, and you can see some of the videos I have tested out, and it has given me up to the 99% accurate score. Okay, because I am also using the VidIQ on my channel. You can see this is the VidIQ I am using, integrating with my YouTube channel, and comparing with this information with the VidIQ, this tool is really mind-blowing. Okay, so right now let me give you the overview. So if you go to this optimization, it will show you all of your YouTube videos that you have published till now. You have to just select any of the YouTube video you want to get the insight. For example, let me select this one. If I click here on the generate score, it is going to start generating the score. So this score will be based on your title and the thumbnail, because these are the only 2 things any viewer first see on the YouTube while scrolling or the searching. They see the title and the thumbnail and they attracted, then they start watching the video. Okay, so right now you can see this video has the title score is the 80 and the thumbnail score is the 80. So you can see some of my titles has the 73 score and the thumbnail is the 85. So I suggest your title score or the thumbnail score should be higher than the 70. Okay, so right now let me click on this video and give you the insight. So I got this title, and you can see it has the score of the 80. So it is also going to give you some suggestions for the title. So you can see this title has the 82 and this title has the 85. So what I can do, I can just click here, and this title I can copy, and then after that I can apply here and make my title more optimized. Same thing I can do here with this video description here, but right now video description optimization a little bit tricky because you have to do a lot of the typing, you have to remove the words. Here's the good part, you have to just simply click here on the optimized description, and now it is going to optimize your description based on these recommendation tags and the other stuff that is bringing the most of the views for your video. Okay, so I have just started the optimization, and right now you can see optimization is done. So you can see based on the optimization, this is the new description. I can simply copy it, get back to my YouTube channel. Okay, yeah, I have copied, get back to my YouTube channel. I have to just locate this video, and here I can just paste or replace with the new description. You can see this is the new description. Simply save, and now I have just improved and optimized my description for this YouTube channel. This is how much simple I have found it here. Same thing you can do it with the recommendation tags. Okay, and now here's the crazy part. If I go to the analytics, you can see right now this is the my insights for this video, like the how many views I got, this is the duration, this is the percentage of the view, and the how many subscribers I got it or the lost, or the videos like I got it here, shares I got it. But here's the best part, it is giving me the keywords that are bringing most of the views for my this video. This is the keyword, this is the keyword, this is the keyword that bringing me video views. So I can also include or optimize my video based on these keywords, so it can make this video even higher or rank above compared to my competitors on the YouTube search here. Okay, and this is the thumbnail. I just make it to last in this overview because I want to talk about this thumbnail separately. So right now there is no tool that can give you overview on your thumbnail, how it is good in terms of the performance, how it is attracting the viewers or not. Okay, so right now you can see my thumbnail has the 80 scores, so it has the 12 points available. Analyzing these 12 points, it is give you the score here. So like the topic match, the color contrast, creativity, executions. So some of them you might, there is the red cross available. So these things I also need to be compliant, so I can make my thumbnail more good here. So if I can expand this one, you can see the thumbnail includes multiple logos and the icons, which can be feel cluttered and attract and distract from the main focus. So this is the thing it is asking me to improve here. Okay, so If you manage to apply all these things, you can make your thumbnail more applying and the attractive. Okay, so this is how optimization feature works and give you in the real time what things you need to improve. It will give you the suggestion and the recommendations. Applying them or using the its AI to improve your title and the description, you can improve your SEO score for the video, and in the resulting you can improve your video ranking here. Okay, so this is the optimization feature. Now let me talk about this AI generator. So in the AI generator, what it can do, all you need to just add the topic. For example, I want to create a video on the TubeIQ, so I will simply paste my topic idea and click here on this generate content. Now analyzing this topic, it is going to soon generate me the title, soon generate me the description, or what are the other aspects. So it can take some time, so please wait a little bit. Okay, I got this ideas here. Like I said, you got the title, you got the description, and here is your script that is going to help you how you are going to talk in your video and what are the things you are going to add in your video. Okay, so make things really easy here. Let me scroll down below. These are the text, these are the voice over. So based on this script, it has also generated a voice over for me. So that's how you can use its AI generator. Then we have the keyword research section available, and this is really mind-blowing feature available, that is the highly alternative to the VidIQ. So here all you need to just search your topic on which you want to generate the or create the video here. Okay, so for me, like I want to do a video on the YouTube SEO, so simply I have added my prime topic. Let me click here on the get keywords, and now it will get me the keywords here. So I got the keywords, I got the difficulty, and the search volume is the hidden. I think it takes a little bit the credit here. Okay, you can see my total credit is this one, and the use credit. Every time you do a keyword analysis, it is going to cost you a credit here. Okay, so now I need to click here on the analyze. For the every keyword, I want to get the insights for the difficulty or the search volume. For me, let me go with the YouTube optimization. So let me analyze and see what is the difficulty. So its difficulty is the 53, that is the moderate, and the search volume is the 4000 searches per month. And if I go to the YouTube SEO strategy, let me also analyze this keyword here. See, its competition and the search volume is also low here. Now let me select any one. YouTube SEO score, YouTube and the YouTube SEO ranking here. Okay, let me analyze and see if I got any good results. Okay, really low volume. Let me search something else, like search the AI video generator. Okay, so let me search. Okay, I got the result, but it's only given me this precise keyword. Okay, I don't know why, because I still want more search results here. Might be a little bit more improvement needed in this section. So let me analyze this keyword here. Okay, I got the difficulty is the 78. The higher it is going to be 100, the more easy it is ranked. So you can see it is giving me the prompt that it is easy to rank for this topic, and I don't believe that basically. And this search volume, see, this is the search volume. So right now what I found it in this keyword section, it still needs improvement. I have showed you in the demo that I have just done this research on the AI video generator, but it is only given me the one keyword here. I still want more keywords, more possibilities, opportunities, but I haven't got. So still more features improvement needed here. So in the future we can see more perfect things here. Okay, now let me talk about the last feature, that is the competitor. So this is the really simple feature. Basically you have to add your competitors or the similar channels that they publish similar kind of your videos, and after that you can just in this single tab or the dashboard, you can just compare your insights or performance with your competitors. Like you can see my 7 days, 14 days or 28 days performance for the views and the subscribers is this. For my competitors or the similar channels, this is their performance. So it instantly tell you how much you still need to work out here. So this is a TubeIQ. I have showed you most of its features, its section. Still there are the n number of the things you can do using this platform, and right now you can see there is the no Chrome extension available, so you can only use this platform on the web. You have to log in on the dashboard, but still in the future we are going to see a Chrome extension. Using that we can integrate our YouTube studio here, and in the real time we can get the ideas. Like for example, if I just open this video here, it is start giving me the suggestions like the titles or the description. So this is with the help of VidIQ here. So VidIQ is the really long run player here. So it has been many years since VidIQ is available, and TubeIQ is recently launched on the YouTube SEO field here. So in the upcoming feature, definitely we are going to see a lot of the good things in this tool, and right now you can get this amazing tool in just $29. So this is so much affordable pricing. You can get it compared to the VidIQ here, okay, or compared to the TubeIQ here. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. I hope you really enjoyed this video and find this video is useful. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel to stay updated. And if you have any queries or the questions regarding this tool, let me know in the comments. I will answer all of them. That's all for today's video. Or if you want a detailed comparison video between the TubeIQ or the VidIQ I'm using on my YouTube channel, just let me know in the comments, and the next video on the page on that comparison for the VidIQ or the TubeIQ. So that's all for today's video. Bye bye, take care. I will see you in the next.